Ever felt like your gimbal setup is missing that cinematic grip and precision control? Well, I just found the answer. This is the SmallRig Focus Control Dual Handle 4327, and I've mounted it on the DJI RS4 Pro to take full control on my shots. Right out of the box, you get the dual handles, NATO rails, and the wireless focus controller built right into the grip. It's sturdy, lightweight, and feels premium in the hands. Mounting it onto the RS4 Pro is seamless thanks to the built-in NATO clamps. It hugs the gimbals perfectly and gives you the dual-handed control you didn't know that you needed. Now here's the magic. This handle comes with a precision wireless follow focus dial, and it connects beautifully with the DJI focus motor. Look at this smooth track focus. If you are a solo shooter or working on documentary or commercial shots, this makes controlling focus and framing feels like second nature. No more touching to the lens or awkward focus pulls. Hopefully we'll see this through. Sparks at night, thunder, roll another number. The guys are looking out for you. Everybody's got something to say. Everybody's got something to say. No communication, lost in translation. The joker got his hands to you. Creeping in your back door, knocking on your window. Hopefully my love shines through. Everybody's got something to say. Everybody's got something to say. For me, this is a must-have add-ons on your RS4 Pro. It turns your gimbal into a true cinematic rig. SmallRig nailed it again. Let me know in the comments if you use this on your rig, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects. Quick shout out to the PanCube Mech wallet. Super sleek, durable, and minimalist. Perfect for creators like me who need the quick access and smart design. Love this thing.